generated based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Punjab Kings versus Kolkata Knight Riders using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will generate the teams using the software. So let's analyze the data. So the probable playing 11 from for the today's match will be from the Punjab Kings side: KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gayle, Nicholas Pooran, Deepak Hoda, Moises Henriques, Shahrukh Khan, Jay Richardson, Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh and Ravi Bishnoi. And from the Kolkata Knight Riders, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Sunil Narine, Andrew Russell, Pat Cummins, Harbhajan Singh, Varun Chakravarti and Shivam Mavi will be the probable playing 11 from both the sides. Actually, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal and Chris Gayle are in good touch. Along with Nicholas Pooran is failed in last matches, so he will definitely will try to play a lot better if he gets the opportunity. At the same time, Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi are also wicket taking bowlers for the Punjab Kings. You can also consider them for the fantasy teams. And from the Kolkata Knight Riders side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi are in good form, along with Dinesh Karthik, and Andrew Russell is also in good form. And Pat Cummins obviously is one of the number one bowler all around the world, so you can always pick him. And so let's analyze the top players from both the sides. So from Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gayle, Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi can be considered as the top players. And from the Kolkata Knight Riders side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins are the top players from KKR side. And in the point of view of our software, let's analyze the captain potential players as well. From the Punjab Kings, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal and Chris Gayle can be considered as the captain players in the software in order to generate the fantasy winning teams. And from the Kolkata Knight Riders side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a captain potential players. As well as the captains, let's analyze the vice captain players as well. From the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gayle, Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi can be considered as a vice captain potential players from Punjab Kings side. And from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a vice captain potential players from the KKR side. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a batting pitch or a balanced pitch actually. So you can get anything around 160 runs, which is the total average score. That means we can expect anything around 320 plus runs out of 40 overs for the today's match. It is going to be a little batting pitch, but it is just like it is more over a balanced pitch. So let's analyze some of the specific points that will help us to win the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be, since it is a batting pitch and according to the teams, the total team credit range will be 99 to 100, and the KKR is almost equal to Punjab Kings, so we can go with 6 players from KKR and 5 players from Punjab Kings, as well as 5 players from KKR and 6 players from Punjab Kings. So the winning combinations will be 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, and also 2 wicketkeeper, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, and also 2 wicketkeeper, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 4 bowlers. These are the winning combinations as far as the data that we have concerned from our software side. So by using all the data that we have discussed, let's analyze the data. So let's generate the winning teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software, the software is an advanced team generator software. It uses multiple algorithms and techniques in order to generate the teams. So it supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, MPL, My 11, Circle and other applications as well. So first of all, let me those who on the software, those who have interest on the software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. So first of all, let me click on cricket here, and after that generate teams, and after that choose fantasy, which is Dream 11 in this case, and choose series, which is IPL, and continue. and there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. If they want winning teams, then you just go with these 2 sections. In these 2 sections you just need to give them players that are playing. Everything will be taken care by the software, everything will be given by the software. And this is the third section which we are going to use today. This is the section in which we have to give some data along with software is also working from its side in order to generate even more better teams. So let me click on advanced generation section, and after that choose teams. We have to we need to select the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between KKR and Punjab Kings. After that continue, and we need to give match number. You can give any match number, no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as in laptop. So let me quickly give any match number which is 210, and we need to select at least 6 players from each team. So you can select 11 players from each team, that is also fine. So let me quickly select the players that I have given. Let me quickly select the 11 players. So these are the 11 players from KKR side and from the Punjab side. Let me quickly select them. These are the players from Punjab Kings side. So these are the players from Punjab Kings side. So let me quickly continue, and after that we need to select the fixed players. You can leave this section as well, there is no problem at all, but whatever the players you select in this section will be there in every team. That means I am very sure that KL Rahul will score big runs in this match. So I would like to select KL Rahul here. At the same time I am very sure that where is that? Okay, Shubman Gill will play very well today. That's I feel this is my prediction. That's why I am fixing him as well. And also Andrew Russell will also score good runs. That's why I am also fixing him. At the same time, I am also fixing Ravi Bishnoi, because I feel these guys will definitely play today. That's why I am fixing these 4 guys. And after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So you can select the players I have given in the slides as well. So you can select the players, and from the Punjab Kings side also, let me quickly select the players you can consider for captain selection. After that continue, and vice captain selection is also I have given some of the players, you can select them. These are the players for vice captain, and from the Punjab Kings side also you can select these players for the vice captain selection. So after that continue, and we need to give the partition strategy. I have already given you in the slides as well that we are going to go with 5-6 and 6-5. Continue, and 99 to 100 is the credit range. Continue, and we need to sell the at least one strategy, but I have given 3 strategies in the video. You can go with that with those strategies. These are the 3 strategies, and after that continue. Enter the names and number of teams you want to generate. Here you need to give, you can give anything anywhere between 1 to 3,333 teams, but 11 teams are definitely and completely fine in order to crack the Grand League. So give 11 as the number of teams and continue, and you can see all these teams are generated based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. And I hope you guys like this video, and those who have interest, you can contact me in the description box below. I have provided you the contact details. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.